Now let us see in another area. Fresh bill is created. We have when the bill is get dishonored, noting charges will be paid and a legal action will be taken. But before to avoid all this legal action, the acceptor himself comes and asks the maker to cancel the old bill and create a new bill. Either two options given, either the part payment made by him and the balance amount with some interest, a new bill will be created. Now let us see what will be the journal entries in the books of the maker of the bill and the acceptor of the bill. Here the maker of the bill is A, acceptor of the bill is B. Now let us see. Bills receivable account debited to drawee account, being the new bill is made with interest. Suppose he pays the interest in cash. In such a cases, only the bill amount, the 1,000 rupees will be taken. If he has not paid the interest amount in cash, such a case, the bills receivable account will be the 1,000, the interest may be 200 for example. 1,200, the bills receivable account will be 1,200 and the B's account, that is drawee account, is 1,200. 1,000 is the bill amount and 200 is interest rate. In case he has not paid the interest in cash, means it will be the new bill will be created with the interest amount. And in the books of the B, the drawer account, that means A's account. Drawer here is A's account. A's account debited to bills payable account. Same. He has not paid the interest rate in cash. In such a case, the new bill amount will be 1,200. 1,200. Drawer account, that is A's account, debited 1,200 to bills payable. Being new bill is created, made with interest amount. So now he wait for the time allowed for him to pay till the date. If that day he has paid he honored his new bill, means no problem. Suppose the acceptor becomes insolvent. In such a case, how it will be solved? In such a case, sometimes there are two options. One is a full bad debt. That amount will be no bill will be paid. Then it will become a bad debt account. It goes to the bad debt account. Otherwise, suppose option 2, suppose he pays the part payment. Suppose 1,200, he pays only 600, means that 50% of amount, 50% of amount is recovered from his estate. From the B's estate, mean that 50% of 1,200 is 600. 600 will become the bad debt and 600 will be paid to the debited to the bank account. Acceptor. So now let us see bank account in the books of A, bank account debited with 600 and bad debt account is debited with 600, and who has to pay? The drawee account credited with 1,200. In the books of B, that is, he is become insolvent now. In the books of B, we can assume that it is a B's account. In the books of B, the entries will be like this. That is A's account or drawer account debited with 600, and his 2 bank account 600. He pays only 600 from his bank, that means from his account. He receives only 600, and in his books it will be like this: 600 account debited, bank account debited with 600, bad debt account debited with 600, drawee's account. That means being the acceptor pays here only 50%. That means 50% being an insolvent, 50% from his estate, from his account, being an insolvent, in case of insolvency, being insolvent, he only 50% of his debt is recovered from his account. So this is the cancellation plus cancellation and creation of new entries. In addition to that, insolvency. In case of insolvent, the entries will be there in the case of the books, in the books of the A and in the books of the B. Now let us in case of books of B, drawer account is debited and bank account is credited. Drawer account debited with 1,200. This is this one. This one we are repeating here. And bank account, what he pays 50% from his estate, and the balance goes to the, for him it's a bad debt, for him it's a deficiency account. Now let us see. Being the amount paid with the 50% from his estate. Okay. Thank you for watching. You please practice all the problems based on this journal entries.